Alright, y'all, today is day 7 of the Drain Funded. On a little bit of a losing streak, 2 losses in a row. I went back and kind of checked it out, trying to back testing, kind of stuff like that. And I realized that one of them I wouldn't have taken normally. It was just kind of my excitement to place a trade, so it's okay. A little bit of a personal error. But yeah, we should need to get back into the charts, kind of lock in, stay extra focused, and not take any kind of bad trade. Just be really smart about it. So I'm just gonna get right into it. On the daily, it says 8:15 because news was at 7 and 7:30, so I didn't trade until then. And right when I woke up, we kind of had an opportunity, so I just kind of sat there and just waited until there was a place where I could start filming up and getting ready to go because he was right about here. We could have got an opportunity, but yeah, it's fine. We didn't get one because I didn't feel confident about it, which is good. So let's just get down to the breakdown. Daily, once again, bullish. 4 hour. Bullish here from the breaker structure. Hourly is bullish with the order block chilling here. If you cross this line, broken structure and close below there. 30-minute bullish. Everything's bullish. So I'm gonna stay bullish unless price kind of says otherwise. If you know what I mean. Unless price breaks structure on the hourly, I'm gonna stay bullish no matter what here. The high here is 0, 0 and the close. And this is an even more compact point right here. If we want to go off this. 5 minute is showing us nothing really. So overall, staying bullish here. We're just waiting for a point to kind of come into this level around here, sweep this low, give us a reaction. Hopefully soon, so we don't end up breaking structure or anything like that. But from what I'm seeing, I am still bullish. We just swept this, kind of broke structure up here, but I wouldn't take this even if we got to break a structure again, just because. Sorry, there's so much fucking noise. We got to break a structure here going back down. I wouldn't take it just because it took like 20 minutes for it to break structure hitting this point. And I'm looking for quick kind of entries, like something like this. Like I would have taken this if this broke structure, but it just didn't, so I didn't take it. And it just kind of followed my strategy. So I will just see you guys back when we find something or get something going. Alright, we're finally getting something. We just swept this 15-minute low right here. As you can see, started here, finished right there because this never swept below. So we ended up going below this. Swept this 15-minute low. Broke structure immediately. Price is now going back down, tanking back down. So if we can just get a break of structure now, I would be okay with entering on this. Even though it did go up a little bit, it didn't seem to kind of react off anything. There's no order block here, there's no fair value gap. It just kind of went up for a sec. And now we're going to get a break of structure. Could be a little risky because there is this order block here, but I will be taking this if we can get some sort of break structure off this. And I will just kind of time lapse, see if we get something going. If price does end up going below this point right here, the bottom of this equilibrium zone, I will be out of it, but we'll just wait and see. Alright, we just went below this level right here. So we are no longer taking this trade. Kind of happy, just because we had this big drop with the order block here, and it's kind of it's a lot of sudden movement and then to not get a trade off. It just doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. But have another 15-minute low here. If we can find some sort of 5-minute zone. Nothing here, but we do have this order block and fair value gap just kind of sitting here. So hopefully we can get a move up, say about here. Then we can drop down really quick, get a break of structure, take it, and I'll take it up. But this is still our hourly close zone. So I'm just waiting to see if we can get something going here. Alright, we can get something going here, I think. We just tapped into this 5-minute order block and this 5-minute fair value gap and this order block. Swept this low here. We stayed bullish somehow. We didn't break structure yet. This just kind of proves my bias that this trade is good. We swept this low. We went up just so price did not break structure, so the bias did not change. Right now, all we're waiting for is some sort of strong reaction to the upside, and I will be instantly placing buys because this seems like a pretty perfect trade for me. So I'm really just waiting, and I will just kind of time lapse to see if we can get something going. Alright, we're in. We're instantly already going down somehow. Hopefully you can start going back up a little bit. We had these two massive bullish candles. So I'm not going to hesitate on this trade. I'm just going to enter in. Hopefully we can get some movement to the... Oh my god. So we just lost again. Do I know why? Not really. I guess I should have probably maybe had a longer stop loss like this, because it was early, but then it makes our first TP all the way up here instead of around here. I thought it was a fucking damn near perfect trade, so I wasn't really worried about it. I think I should have just, I guess, waited for even more confirmation, just because if we have this long position here with this, I mean, it's really only like 10 tick stop loss, which is nothing. So I guess that's probably a good reason why we got stopped out there. But even if we were all the way down here, who knows if we're still going to keep this trade or get stopped out or something like that. But I thought it was a great trade. Got stopped out in seconds. What have we learned now? Guess we have to just start making stop losses just a little bigger, I guess. This is the second trade now where we've had some sort of stupid fucking reversal like this because of our stop loss. It's unfortunate, but it's true. What else? Gonna have to de-risk a good amount. This is now 3 losses in a row. I don't you normally lose this much. 3 losses in a row. Next trade we have to de-risk. Even if it's only like $300, $200, $300, we gotta de-risk, just because we clearly are not trading our best right now. But yeah, still have one more day to trade this week. I'm not going to trade tomorrow because Powell is speaking, but I will be trading Friday. Hopefully we can get something going. I'm going to wait and see what the price does here. What did I do wrong? Did nothing wrong. We just should have waited a little bit. We had this one candle here. Probably should have just waited a little bit longer just to prove our bias. But unfortunate. Probably should have had a bigger stop loss. Just because liquidity once again is picking up, so it's not going to work well with these little stop losses. Because price moves a lot more now. But guess it's fine. And I will just see you guys tomorrow. Get ready to go. Or not tomorrow, but Friday. So I'll see you guys on Friday.